guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Nishtha. I am a makeup artist and a beauty influencer. So if you're seeing this face for the very first time and you like this video, please consider subscribing and also hit the bell icon right next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. You can also follow me on Instagram. My profile will be somewhere here or here on the screen. You can see for yourself, and I am very regular with my content on Instagram. So please go ahead and follow me on Instagram too. So this video in particular is about my red lipstick collection. I am going to show you some of my favorite red lipsticks in my collection. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. A quick disclaimer, all the lipsticks that I'm showing you are not particularly red. They are all shades of reds because I have a single drawer for all my red lipsticks. So these are close to red, these are maroons, these are peachish reds, these are proper reds, orangish reds, and everything is included in this one. So this is my lipstick drawer for now. It's not very huge, but it is a good amount of lipsticks for me. I was a person in college first year who used to wear the same orange lipstick every day. Like, I look back to those pictures and I laugh at myself that I used to only apply orange lipstick, which does not even suit me now. Like, I never apply orange lipstick now, but actually it looked hideous on me. So now this is a very huge amount of lipsticks for me, at least. So let's just get started. So the very first lipstick is a lip crayon. This is a very new addition to my vanity. This is from Flicka Cosmetics. I have recently got this lipstick from Flicka Cosmetics. The pigmentation is very beautiful, stays for a long amount of time because after it dries down it gives a very matte effect. So this is number 6 from Flicka Cosmetics. It's not exactly a red, but it's a maroon kind of a shade, and I really like this one. The second newest addition to my lipstick collection is this one. This is NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade 12. So this is how it looks. It has a very nice formula. It does not even feel like you have applied a liquid lipstick. This is how this shade looks like. I am really fond of this formula and consistency. You should definitely give it a try. If you don't like heavy matte lipstick, this one is a perfect option for you guys. And I'll mention all the prices on the screen so you don't have to worry about that. Also, the link of these products will be in my description box below. Okay, so the third one is my absolute favorite red in my whole collection. This is a lip crayon from Sugar Cosmetics. It's called 01 Scarlet O'Hara. Let me show you the pigmentation and the shade exactly. So this lip crayon is by Sugar Cosmetics. It's a very nice formula. It's very pigmented and the shade is to die for. I'll swatch this one also on my hand. See, it's very pretty, suits Indian skin tone very beautifully. Next lipstick is from Lakme Absolute. It's called Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color in the shade 19 Red Vibe. This is also a darker red. It's a maroonish red, I would say. That is the swatch. It's a nice dark red color. I really like this one also. The formula is also very lightweight for this one. So the next red lipstick is a pure red. This is from Faces Canada. It's their new launch. It's called No Transfer Matte Lipsticks. And the shade I have is FOMO Queen 01. What a nice name. So this has a nice different applicator. Really like this one. This is how it looks on my hand. It is also a very stunning red shade. It's very transfer proof, matte, and really nice formula. So the next one is a matte lipstick from MAC Cosmetics. This is the only MAC lipstick that I own and I really love this one. It's called Lady Danger, and this is how the shade looks like. It's more on the orange tone, but it's a red for sure. So this is how it looks. Definitely more on the orangish side, but really nice. Suits Indian skin tone very nicely. So the next one that I'm going to show you is from Maybelline. Is the Maybelline Super Stay Ink Lipstick. This won't come off. Eat as much oily food as you want to, but this won't go. So this shade is called Ambitious. The only problem with this lip color is that it's kind of sticky on the lips, but if that works for you, buy this one, it won't budge. This is how this shade looks. It's a very pretty red. The only problem is the sticky effect of this, that is why it's just kept behind and I don't use it as much, but it's a pretty shade. Next up we have this red lipstick from Purple. It's called Sleepovers That I Want to Repeat 9. It's a very nice formula of lipstick. This is so unique. It feels like a creamy lipstick but is liquid. Also it stays pretty well on the lips, so what else do I need? This is how this shade looks like. It's also a very pretty red, lighter in comparison to the ink lipstick, but this one is also very stunning. Okay, so the next one is also from Faces Canada but a different range. This one is called Ultime Pro Long Stay Liquid Matte Lipstick, and this is the shade 02 Rusty. It's a very stunning shade. It's not a proper red, but it's very beautiful. It's a rusty shade only. So this is how it looks like. This one also stays for a very long time, and it is very similar to the PAC liquid lipstick. Like the packaging is very similar to the PAC one, but the formula is great. So yeah. The next lipstick is also from Sugar Cosmetics. This is a creamy lipstick, but the formula is to die for. It's so comfortable. It looks so pigmented on the lips. Very beautiful. So this is the Matte Attack Transfer Proof Lipstick in the shade 04 Maroon Vibe. And one swipe application of this lipstick is so pretty. Look at this one, last one. Dries down pretty matte and looks beautiful. Pigmentation is very nice. So the next lipstick is from NY Base Runway range. This is a very affordable liquid lipstick. The shade is although very dark, but it's kind of red family, so I included this one also. It's called Yankee Sporty Style 7. So this is how it looks like. This is not exactly red, but it's a very dark color, very bold and very unique. So this is how the swatch looks like. The next lipstick is from Stay Quirky. So this is called Rebel Mode 15. It's also a very nice formula. It's slightly thicker in comparison to the other liquid lipsticks that I have, but stays for pretty long, and that's what I want from the liquid lipstick. The applicator of this one is very nice. This is the favorite type of applicator that I like in my lipsticks. So this is the swatch. This one. This is also a very nice shade. The next lipstick is a very beautiful formulation by Faces Canada. It's called Faces Canada Ultime Pro Intense Matte Lips Plus Primer. So this is very comfortable. The shade name is Perfection, I guess. This is how it looks like. This is exactly like this. I'll swatch it for you guys. This formula is very beautiful. This is how it looks like. Okay, so the next one is a lipstick that I have used so many times for so many looks. This is the lipstick that I was talking about. I was featured on Purple's page and Stay Quirky's page because of this lipstick only. So the shade is I Woke Up Like This, and it's a stunning shade. It's not a red, it's not a pink. I don't know how to describe this shade. It's really unique. And the stay is crazy. It does not come off easily. This is how the shade looks like. Now I would like to show you some minis from Sugar. So the first one is called 21. It's a stunning red shade. So this is the Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick collection in the mini size, of course. So this is how the shade looks like. The next lipstick is also from the same range. It's called 25 Very Mulberry. This is one of my favorite shades from the Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick collection, and this I have used on so many people. I also have ordered a bigger size in this one, so I'll be using that soon on my Instagram. This is a very stunning shade. This is my absolute favorite from Sugar collection. It's a very deep wine kind of a shade. The third one from the same range is called 29 Scarlet Starlet. It's a proper red, and I'll show you the swatch. This is how it looks on my hand. It looks like a proper blood red, Very beautiful again, stays for a very long amount of time. I think we have reached the end of this video. I started from Flickr and I'm ending on Flickr. I don't know how that happened. The shade number is 12 and this is a very beautiful red. It's their newly launched range. I'll mention a link in the description. You can check out shades according to you. You will get a 15% off because it's just launched. So this is how the shade looks like. This was all the collection that I had currently. I have discarded more than 30 lipsticks of mine after the lockdown because I thought they were getting old and I didn't want to save them. So I discarded them. So this is all that I have in the red collection right now. So yeah, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and until next time, bye.